गाइस रिवाइज कीजिए 13.2.3 लाइफ हिस्ट्री वेरिएशन को। बताइए डार्विनियन फिटनेस किसको कहा जाता है? Populations evolve to maximize their dash dash, also called Darwinian fitness, that is high R value in the habitat in which they live. Under a particular set of dash dash, organisms evolve towards the most efficient reproductive strategy. Some organisms dash dash only once in their lifetime, that is dash dash fish, comma, bamboo, while others breed many times during their lifetime, most birds and mammals. Some reproduce a large number of dash dash offspring, that is dash dash, comma, dash dash species, while others reproduce or produce a small numbers of large sized offspring, that is dash dash, comma, dash dash, so which is desirable for maximizing fitness. Dash dash suggests that life history traits of organisms have evolved in relation to the constraints imposed by the dash dash and dash dash components of the habitat in which they live. Dash dash of life history traits in different species is currently an important area of research being conducted by dash dash. 13.2.4 Population interactions. रिवाइज कीजिए पॉपुलेशन इंटरेक्शंस. Can you think of any natural habitat on earth that is dash dash just by a single species? There is no such habitat and such a situation is even dash dash. For any species, the dash dash is one more species on which it can feed. Even a plant species which makes its own food cannot survive alone. It needs soil microbes to break down the dash dash in soil and return the inorganic nutrients for dash dash. And then how will the plant manage pollination without an animal agent? It is obvious that in nature, animals, plants, and microbes do not and cannot live in isolation but interact in various ways to form dash dash community. Even in minimal communities, many interactive linkages exist, although all may not be dash dash apparent. Dash dash arise from the interaction of populations of two different species. They could be beneficial, detrimental, or natural, that is neither harm nor benefit to one of the species or both, assigning a dash dash sign for beneficial interaction, dash dash sign for detrimental, and dash dash for neutral interaction. Let us look at all the possible outcomes of interspecific interactions. फिगर 13.1 वाले टेबल, जी हाँ, फिगर टेबल 13.1 पॉपुलेशन इंटरेक्शंस का माइंड कैप्चर कीजिए। तो गाइस बताइए, यदि स्पीसीज ए बेनिफिशियल इंटरेक्शन करती है यानी कि प्लस, एंड स्पीसीज बी भी बेनिफिशियल इंटरेक्शन करती है यानी कि प्लस, तो बताइए इसने मतलब इस इंटरेक्शन का नाम बताइए। नेक्स्ट, स्पीसीज ए डेट्रीमेंटल एंड स्पीसीज बी डेट्रीमेंटल, नेम ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बताइए। स्पीसीज ए बेनिफिशियल एंड स्पीसीज डेट्रीमेंटल, नेम ऑफ प्रीडेशन ऑफ दिस इंटरेक्शन। जी हाँ, यह प्रीडेशन है। क्या आप इस बात को सही मानते हैं जो हमने बताया अकॉर्डिंग टू लाइन ऑफ एनसीईआरटी? चलिए नेक्स्ट, स्पीसीज ए बेनिफिशियल एंड स्पीसीज बी डेट्रीमेंटल। पता ना, एक ही जैसा लगभग सुनने में वर्ड है ना, इसलिए थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ा जाता है, तो गाइस इसको इग्नोर कीजिएगा। बताइए गाइस, स्पीसीज ए बेनिफिट में है और स्पीसीज बी डेट्रीमेंटल है, तो इसका नेम ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बताइए। चलिए नेक्स्ट, स्पीसीज ए बेनिफिशियल एंड स्पीसीज बी हैज न्यूट्रल इफेक्ट, बताइए नेम ऑफ इंटरेक्शन। Species detrimental effect, that is species A, and species B has neutral effect, नाम बताइए नेम ऑफ इंटरेक्शन। रिवाइज कीजिए आगे वाले पोर्शंस को। चलिए क्वेश्चन, बोथ द स्पीसीज बेनिफिट इन डैश डैश एंड बोथ लॉस इन डैश डैश इन देयर इंटरेक्शंस with each other. In both dash dash and dash dash, only one species benefits, that is parasite and predator respectively. And the interaction is dash dash to the both species, that is host and prey respectively. The interaction where one species is benefited and the other is neither benefited nor harmed is called dash dash. In dash dash, on the other hand, one species is harmed whereas the other is dash dash. Predation, dash dash and dash dash share a common characteristic. The dash dash species live closely together. फर्स्ट प्रीडेशन, रिवाइज कीजिए इसको, रिवाइज कीजिए प्रीडेशन को। What would happen to all the energy fixed by dash dash organisms if the community has no animals to eat the plants. You can think the predation as dash way of transferring to higher trophic levels the energy fixed by plants. When we think of and dash, most probably it is the tiger and the dash that readily come to our mind, but a sparrow eating any seed is no less a predator. Although animals eating plants are categorized separately as they are in a broad ecological context not very different from Besides acting as for energy transfer across trophic levels, predators play other important roles. They keep prey populations under control, but for predators, prey species could achieve very high densities and cause ecosystem instability. When certain species are introduced into a geographical area, they become invasive and start spreading fast because the does not have its natural predators. The introduced into Australia in the early caused havoc by spreading rapidly into millions of of rangeland. Finally, the cactus was brought under control only after a moth from its natural habitat was introduced into the country. Biological control methods adopted in agricultural pest control are based on the ability of the to regulate prey population. Predators also help in maintaining a species diversity in a community by reducing the intensity of among competing prey species. In the rocky communities of the American Pacific coast, the is an important predator. In a field experiment, when all the starfish were removed from an area, more than of invertebrates become extinct within a year. Because of interspecific competition. If a is too efficient and its prey, then the prey might become extinct, and following it, the will also become extinct for lack of food. This is the reason why in nature are dash. Prey species have evolved various defenses to the impact of predation. Some species of insects and dash dash are dash dash that is camouflaged to avoid being detected easily by the predator. Some are poisonous and therefore avoided by the dash dash. The monarch butterfly is highly dangerous to its predator bird because of a special chemical present in its body. Interestingly, the dash dash acquires this chemical during its dash dash stage of feeding on a dash dash weed. For plants, dash dash are the predator. Nearly dash dash of all insects are known to be dash dash, feeding on plant sap and other parts of plants. The problems is particularly serve for the dash dash because unlike animals, they cannot run away from their predators. Plants therefore have evolved an dash and chemical defenses against herbivores. Dash are the most common morphological means of defense. Many plants produce and store chemicals that make the herbivore sick when they are eaten, inhibit feeding or digestion, dash its reproduction, or even kill it. You must have seen the weed dash in abandoned fields. The plant produces highly poisonous dash and that is why you never see any cattle or goats browsing on this plant. A wide variety of chemical substances that are exerted sorry that we extract from plants on a commercial scale, that is dash comma dash comma opium etc are produced by them actually as defenses against grazers and browsers.